Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the problem solution text pattern. This is a text pattern that's used in both informative writing and in persuasive writing. Okay, basically a problem and solution is we have a problem and we provide a solution. But it's a little more complicated than that. Because with a problem we often have a situation in which the problem occurs. And so the writer will explain the situation before getting to the problem. They'll offer a solution, and then they will often give an evaluation of the solution, whether it worked or didn't work, or whether it should work or might not work. So let's look at an explanation of the parts. Now it says situation's optional, and that's true. And in this, the writer states the situation or context for the problem. And sometimes writers go directly to the problem. The writer indicates some factor in the situation which causes a problem or difficulties. With the problem stated, then the writer wants to offer or recommend one or more ways the problem or difficulties can be solved or corrected. And then the evaluation is the writer judges the possible or real results of the solution and may offer a future recommendation. So sometimes in problem solution we have a proposed solution and the writer is going to tell us what they think will happen. Other times we're writing about a real situation and the solution is what has been done, and then the writer wants to evaluate that. Here's a paragraph that has a problem solution pattern in it. Ever since I have attended this college, I've been bothered by something. The classrooms are air-conditioned, and sometimes they get very cold. Consequently, I feel so cold I cannot concentrate on the class. After thinking about it for a time, I decided to wear my jacket while in the classroom. Now I am warmer and can concentrate, but now I have to carry the jacket around all the time at school. So if we break this paragraph down, we see that we have our situation. The classrooms are air-conditioned and sometimes get very cold. So we have a problem within that, because I feel so cold I cannot concentrate on the class. So I propose a solution. I decided to wear my jacket while in the classroom. And then we have the evaluation. I am warmer and can concentrate, but now I have to carry the jacket around all the time at school. Let's look at some of the signals that we have, and these are only a few. Usually problems have negative words and phrases. They indicate difficulties such as worried, upsetting, not functioning well, didn't work, weak, embarrassed, ashamed, misunderstand, uncomfortable. Our solution signals indicate decisions, consequences or results, managing, planning, working out problems. And we have linking words like after, afterwards, consequently, then, therefore, thus, and eventually that can be used. One thing to keep in mind is that the cause and effect pattern can be used in the problem solution text structures. And our evaluation signals are words that indicate positive, negative, or even mixed judgments of the solution, from terrible to great, and the many areas in between. So not so good, pretty good. So again, we have our paragraph in which we talk about the four parts of the text structure. And often a text structure will span many paragraphs and not just one paragraph. And so this is a description of the problem solution text structure. Thank you.